Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Hope every one of you is fine. Welcome to my channel. Hello to my all the subscribers. This is the Earth Angel Healing bringing you a pick card reading. This one is regarding reconciliation. Will we be back together or not? Before we start, just a brief description about me. I'm a healer, empath, and meditation counselor. I am specialized in negative thinking process, like if you have a phobia, overthinking, if you don't have a realistic expectation with your own self. Also specialize in relationship counseling and meditation. So for more details you can check the description down below and how to contact me. Okay, so here I am. We will start with a pick a card reading. Will we be back together or not? So you know the drill. Take a deep breath, focus on any of the deck which is attracting you. Okay, pause the video if you want and choose one of the deck. The question is, will we be back together or not? We will clarify each of the oracle decks with John Holland's Tarot of Love. Okay, so let's begin with 1, 2, 3. So we'll begin with first one. The wisdom of oracle. Okay, so people who chose the first red color or the root chakra or number 1, let's begin. We will check your energy, your person's energy, and the energy between both of you, and we will start with tarot. So what is the energy of the person watching this video? The person who chose pile number 1. Okay, go the distance. This is your energy. Energy of the person you are dealing with. Message in the bottle. Okay, and the energy between both of you. What is the energy between these two? Oh wow, Treasure Island. Okay, so look at the color palette here. The color is blue. Blue is the throat chakra. There is something wrong with communication here. There is something wrong in this relation with regards to communication. This is what I can see. For you, go the distance. What I can feel from this card is you are too much caught up in the recent moment, in what is happening now. You have blinded yourself, you are not ready to look beyond the horizon, what is coming in the distance future. So this is the energy I'm getting from you. You are requested to go the distance, like long-term planning. Don't get caught up in the present. Present is upside down. Present is nowhere what you are thinking the relationship should be like, but that is what you have to overcome. You have to go in the distance, look at the future. Okay, when I see the energy of a person, they are willing to communicate. You will receive or you will receive a message from them. It can be an email, letter. Nobody writes letter in these days, but a text message or an email, or maybe a phone call. Okay, the energy between you and your person is treasure island. You both love each other, you both cherish each other's company, you both are like very much interested emotionally in like all the aspect. You are treasure island for each other, and that's why this, I mean, you both cannot stop thinking about each other. This is what I can see, but the blockage is communication. Okay, so let's get into further details. I am using Psychic Tarot of Hearts by John Holland. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Will you be back with this person or not? Let's clarify your energy first. With this go to the distance, I have believe in success. This is equivalent to 6 of Wands. Energy of your person. Oh, challenging times. Yes, that's why there is no communication between both of you. Energy between you and your person. Rebuild. This is the Tower. So yes, the relationship is going through a drastic change. It's almost broken, but the thing is, it has been dismantled because it has to be reconstructed. Before, maybe it was built on a false foundation, on a wrong base, completely wrong base, belief system. That's why it collapsed. It was on a weak foundation. That's why it collapsed. And now it's a time to rebuild. As far as you are concerned, you are ready to take any challenge when it comes to this relationship, but your person is going through a difficult time right now. Maybe your person is a businessman. This is this is Wands energy, so something he or she is passionate about. They are overcoming the challenges with regards to that. It's not anything related to this relationship, like the obstacles are other than this, like it's not related to you or this relationship, but your person is caught up in something which is related to their life, their career maybe, or the finances, which the business which they are dealing with. They are going through a bad time in the business maybe, so they are trying to overcome this challenging time, and then they will contact you. Okay, let's see where your person is mentally, emotionally, and physically. Mentally, they are at 7 of Pentacles. Emotionally, flow. This is the Wheel of Fortune. And physically is just breathe. Yeah, so there is no communication. Again, the blue color. See, so your person is contemplating what they can do, how they can fix their life first, and then they want to approach you. Okay, but as of now they are contemplating, like doing meditation, going within. But yes, this is emotionally, they very much want to be with you. They very much want, and this is, the situation is karmic. It was meant to be like this. Okay, they are in the mentally they are waiting for these things to get settled so they can contact you. Okay, so how they see this relationship at this moment coming together. This is equivalent to Two of Cups. You are their emotional fulfillment. They see you as the second half, like a better half. There is no doubt about it. They want you back, but it's their life is going through major transformation. What probable blockage is in this relationship? What is blocking? I have Six of Cups, simply love. This is equivalent to Six of Cups. So there is no blockage when it comes to this relationship emotionally. Okay, but physically, as I said, this is something related to finances, business, or other aspect of in your person's life which is taking toll on them, and they just want to fix it and then they want to come back to you. What action your person of interest will take towards you? Will you guys will be reconciled? A well deserved reward. Okay, so yes, your person will and is willing to take action. Okay, but it will take time. They are in this hermit mode. They are contemplating, they are seeking the higher wisdom, and this time between both of you is to rebuild your relationship. This is what, that's why this is this situation has come up. It's like I see there is almost there is a breakup here, but things will change. The condition is you have to give time. Okay, yes, there will be a reconciliation. Yes, you guys will come together because your person very much wants this thing to happen. Okay, blockage emotionally, there is no blockage, but there is a blockage in communication, there is blockage in finances. Okay, so let's see what is the lesson for you. Denial and indecision. The lesson for both of you. One of you is in denial and cannot take decision. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Indecision, I use my intuition in all aspects of life. So this is what you had to go through. You have to come out of this denial and take a decision. I'm talking about both of you. Okay, so that was the lesson which you were supposed to learn in this particular situation with your person, so that you can come out of this denial and indecision. Okay, now let's see the advice, what you are supposed to do. For the person watching this video, see the light. See the light. Turn on the light. Beautiful card. Turn on the light and connect with your soul family. Connect with your soul family. Beautiful card to have. So the pile number 1, people who chose this pile number 1, you have been given this time to connect with your own self, connect with your inner, connect with your higher self, connect with your being, your core, and your soul family. Okay, this has been like it's like a break given to you to rejuvenate yourself, to seek, contemplate, so that you both can come to a conclusion of how you want to take things forward, because right now there is a turmoil. One more thing, go distance, like see the far future. Don't get caught up in the moment, like whatever is happening now is not positive, so don't get caught up too much in that situation. Look beyond that. How can you look beyond that? If you will see the light, if you will turn on your light, the light within you, your higher self, connecting with your core, connecting with your higher self, and connecting with the like-minded people, with your soul family, and then you will be able to get hold of the situation and come out of this situation. This requires self work. Okay, so the pile number 1, you guys will come back together, but there is lot of inner work which needs to be done. You have to come out of denial and take a decision. You are in this indecision phase which has to be overcome. Once you will come out of this, your person will contact you. That's the deal. Okay, because they are very much in love with you. There are a lot of emotions. This relation is going through a rebuild phase. So rebuilding is something has collapsed and you guys have to come back together to rebuild it. Yes, it is a challenging time, but you will be victorious. Condition is you have to connect with yourself, connect with your higher self, connect with the light within you. Okay, then only you will be able to get hold of the situation. Okay, pile number 1, that's all I have for you. I hope it resonated. Like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to check the description box below, and we will start with pile number 2. So pile number 2, those who have selected the heart chakra, the green color, the enchanted map, the enchanted map oracle. Let's start. Okay, what is the energy of the person watching this video? What is the energy of the person watching this video? Golden Palace. Your energy is Golden Palace. Energy of the person you are watching this video coming to life. Number 29, coming to life. This is number 23. Okay, and I have energy between you and your person making a choice. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Okay, so your energy for the people who selected pile number 2, the energy you have is Golden Palace. Now Golden Palace refers to that there is always enough. The Golden Palace card represents good fortune, ambition, fulfilled wealth and prosperity. It may also indicate emotional fulfillment, as perhaps You are entering a time of happiness that's long overdue. Okay, the message here is that the self-worth isn't measured by what you have, no matter how abundant your life is. Instead, it comes from what you are, how authentically you are living your life, and how much love you are willing to share. Granted, receiving this card does indicate material gain and a further of tangible rewards, but things come and go, and knowing your true value leads to even greater riches. Now share your wealth. So this is your energy, that you are, even though you have abundance, somewhere there is the lack because you are not with this person. Now coming to life, your person is coming to a realization. The person you are dealing with was going through a major problem, and now they are slowly and gradually coming to a realization that what this relation means to them, what you mean to them. Okay, so they are slowly and gradually coming to that realization. It also sometimes beautiful is being true in your life. Coming to life is being authentic. Coming to life is being your own self. So maybe the person you are dealing with, he was not that not towards this relation, but they must be going through a lot of problems, that they were not able to be authentic, they were not able to express themselves fully. That's why they were like, you were like, is this person is still interested in me or not? You were in that thought process, but rest assured, your person is coming to that realization. Okay, and the energy between both of you is making a choice. Making a choice here is to making a choice to be with this person or not to be with person. You are faced with this and you have to make this choice. Okay, both of you are coming to a realization and making a choice towards choosing each other in the life. Okay, now let's get into the tarot and find out what exactly is going on between you and the cards till now is telling that you both are going through a process of realization, that what this relationship means to both of you. This is what, and you are required to make a choice with your heart, not with your mind, both of you. Okay, the person watching this video and the person you are inquiring about who is watching this video, you both are going through a regeneration, metamorphosis process. Let's clarify what is your energy exactly. Root chakra, the base chakra. Win or lose. Your person was deceptive before, but they are coming to a realization what you mean to them. Reach out, teamwork. What better card to explain this? Make a choice and reach out to each other. Reach out. Don't go in who should do it first. Just reach out. You, the person who is watching this video, you have lot of insecurities. You are very insecure by nature. You have to work on your root chakra. Okay, you can contact me or any other relationship counselor who can cleanse and clarify, energize your root chakra. because this your decisions are driven by insecurity and control. When your root chakra is weak, you tend to behave out of insecurity. You don't behave out of like from your stronger points. You behave, your actions are from your weakness. Okay, let's see where your person is mentally, physically and emotionally. Choosing your battle mentally. This is 7 of Wands. Sacral chakra. They are not feeling confident enough emotionally. And physically, challenging times. Okay, yes, your relationship is going through challenging time. What can be the probable blockage for this relationship for coming together? Wisdom. Teach. Okay, what action your person of interest will take towards you? Find balance. So yes, they will find balance in a, will you guys come back together again? Very much. I got 2 of cups. So yes, you will come back together. Definitely you are coming back together. Pile number 2. But the thing is, you have to work on your root chakra, your base chakra, and your person of interest has to work on their sacral chakra. They are not feeling safe enough, confident enough to approach you at the moment. They are going through their challenging times. The relationship as such is going through a challenging time, but you will soon get that wisdom and find that balance, because this is what is lacking in this relationship. And this is the reason, because there was no balance, there was no maturity between both of you. That's why you both fall apart. Understood? So acquire this balance, acquire this wisdom, this knowledge, and you will be back together, no doubt about it. Pile number 2. Let's check what was the lesson you both have to learn in this. What was the lesson for pile number 2 in this situation? Why they were in this situation? Health and service. So yes, your wealth should be utilized in a good cause. Whatever you have to take care of your health, and you have to use your wealth. It can be any wealth, it can be financially, intellectual, whatever you have to use it in the service. So that's why this situation has come up, to give you the lesson of health, which is mental and physical health. As I said, you are very insecure, you are not grounded, so all your actions are driven out of insecurity, lack. Mental health, take care of your mental health. Of course, physical health is included, and the service, extend your hand for help to human, like in any form or any which ways you can help the community wherever you are living, in any which ways, whatever small thing you can do, you should. So that was your lesson to bring you back. I don't see any third party or anything. It was just lesson, purely lesson for both of you, that you both departed. But yes, you see, you both are coming together very much. Final advice for you: have fun. Change the scenery, change your mindset, change your ambience, change the way you think, operate from a higher level, and look forward. Look forward, plan for the future. Don't get stuck in the moment. The things are not happening as per your plans. Look beyond that. Okay, so enjoy your life in the current moment. Change the scenery, that is, change your thought process, and look forward. Okay, reach out to your person. If you made a mistake, okay, tell them sorry and come back to your own self. So that's all I have for you, pile number 2. You guys will be back together, but both of you are working right now on your own self. You have to work on your root chakra, and your person of interest is to work on their confidence, on their desirability of being with another person. Like they have to come out of this mindset of they are good enough, they are not good enough. They have to come to this realization that they are lovable. Okay, and find balance within this relationship. Definitely you guys are coming together then. Okay, so yes, your person will reach out. Like it can go, the energies can go vice versa. One of you will contact each other and come back, compromise, find balance and come back together. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. If it resonated, do leave comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, let's begin with pile number 3, who chose the energy cards, energy oracle. Let's begin. Pile number 3. All the information of contacting me is down below. Just check the description box. And let's begin. Let's start with checking the energy of you and your person, and the energy between both of you. What's going on between you two? The energy of person watching this video. Wow, I have 5th chakra. This is the throat chakra. Number is 3. 39, total is 12, coming to 3. Energy of the person you are dealing with. Wow, sun, bright, positive. Energy between you and your person. The angel of strength. You are required to be strong. Strong Leo energy here. You could be dealing with a Leo, or you are a Leo. Is not required, but maybe. Okay. Now let's clarify. From these 3 cards, what I can see is the person you are watching, the person who is watching this video has a strong, there is a problem with communication. You have to work on your throat chakra. You are not communicating clearly, or in general there is a problem with communication between you and your person. Your person is very, very positive and very ambitious kind of person. It's good to be around with this kind of energy. I think the only problem here is communication. Something happened because of communication between you and your person, but the situation is requiring you to be strong. Okay, this can also mean this is a very strong bond, there is a very strong connection between you and your person. That's why even though you are not in communication, you feel there is a strong pull with that person. Let's clarify let's clarify your energy of throat chakra flow. Okay, your person rest and rejuvenate. This is 9 of Wands and the darkest fears, no doubt about it, 9 of Swords. So what you and your person is going through is, this is Wheel of Fortune, which is karmic connection. Okay, at the moment your relationship is going through facing your fears. This is what you both are facing, the fears, becoming strong internally and facing your fears, in the sense that whatever you were fearing in your past, like which comes out of from your childhood, from the past relationships, you both are facing those fears individually. Fear which is related to the relationship aspect of your life, you are trying to overcome that. Both of you are working on yourself together, facing your fears, this 9 of Swords, anxiety. Okay, and the person watching this video has to work on their communication big time. It feels like you are not speaking where you are supposed to speak, or you go in the wrong direction when you speak. You are not able to communicate clearly what are your intention, what you want. So that is creating the problem. Your person is very much willing to take things forward, but somewhere they are like they have given up on you. This is what I feel. Okay, where they are mentally, physically and emotionally, throat chakra, a big problem with the communication in your relationship. Belief, success and belief, this is equivalent to 6 of Wands. Physically they are ready to close this particular cycle. What is the probable blockage apart from communication that we have seen? What can be the probable blockage? Okay, take a lead. Number 3, plan for the future. This is the blockage. What probable action your person of interest will take towards you? Reach out. They will reach out. Yes, 3 of Pentacles, they will reach out. Will you guys be together again? There is a reconciliation. You have to master, you have to come out of your devil energies, conditioning, you both. This is what it is, the fear. You both have to work on your fear. Maybe something happened in the past which made you both, like there was some disaster which was happened. So it can be, this fear can be, as I said, with regards to your relationship, or you both individually having your past relationship. You both are projecting those things, the past bad experiences into this relationship. So unless you master your devil energy, your negative thought process, you cannot come back together. There is very much like what I can say, there is an intention, there is a will to come back together, but this cannot be achieved unless you unless you come out of this devil energy, your conditioning, your past conditioning, your fears. Okay, you both want to be with each other. You both are staying strong even in this time of turmoil. You both are like very strong headed person. Okay, you both want to reach out, you both want to plan for the future when it comes to this relationship, but the major blockage is fear and communication. That's the major blockage here. Okay, so work on that. Let's see what was your lesson in this situation, why you were brought in this particular situation by the destiny. What was your lesson here? Perseverance, yes, and empathy. I'm open to seeing both sides of the situation, and I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. These were your lessons. Pile number 3, perseverance and empathy. So you have to consider the situation of other person also involved in this situation, and how strong you are with your own commitments. This was the lesson. How stronger you can perceive. This was the lesson. The angel of strength. How strong you are in anything that you set your mind to. So because of that, you both are brought in this situation, and see how strongly you believe in each other in this relationship, how strongly you can perceive, even if there was obstacles, even if there is problem, how strongly you can perceive this. How strong you are with your own commitments, how loyal you are with your heart, what you believe in. Or if there is an obstacle, you run away. Universe wanted to see this, and that was also one of your lesson, because maybe it has happened that when there was a problem in a relationship, you just quit the relationship. That must have happened before. So in this case, you are being taught a lesson of perseverance and empathy, taking into consideration the other person also. Okay, you are not the only one. Relationship goes hand in hand with two people. What is the advice for the person viewing this? I have give it to God. It's a beautiful card. Give it to God. Tell the truth. One more communication card. Pile number 3, a major problem with communication. Invest in your spirit. Do whatever you love to. Look at the color. It's related to the crown chakra. Pile number 3, I think the person watching this video is having problem with communication. They are not communicating what they have to. They are not communicating clearly about what they actually want. So communication and facing your fears, come out of your conditioning about life in general and about this particular person you are dealing with. This is what you have to learn, and considering all the aspects of a relationship, being strong, angel of strength. And definitely, if you will do this, you both are coming back together. There is no doubt about it. But whatever you want, communicate clearly, connect with your spirit, connect with God, connect with your higher self, and speak the truth. Speak the truth around people you are with, and also with this person. Okay? That's all I have. Pile number 3. I hope it resonated. Like, share and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.